I like that.
Yeah.
Look at her face. I got the whole face in there. How long does it record for?
I don't know. As long as it's 15 seconds.
See, I have to go over just to
That's
make
enough.
it like a little thicker. Not exactly over it, but like on the side of it a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
You're doing good, Pumpkin.
Am I hurting you? No.
Let's get her a shot of Patron. Look at her face. Look at her face.
Am I moving?
That's what you need, huh? There you go.
This shit is like, it is like dragging and like it's picking up skin at the same time.
That's good.